Arthritis Rehab and Pain Clinic, the non-surgical solution for your arthritic pain and sports injuries.
I was referred to Dr. Youssef in March of 2013 due to a neck injury and from a car wreck. And he decided that he wanted to use neuroprolotherapy on my neck. So I decided that would be the best thing for me also because it was natural. He started out marking my neck where the pain was, and he would use his fingers and put them on my neck, and then he would mark them, and then he would start with the small injections. They didn't hurt at all. I was amazed at that. The first day I was able to move my neck some from side to side, which I wasn't able to move it at all from side to side because it was just straight, because in the wreck my head went forward then went back, and I just couldn't move it from side to side at all. And then I came in a few days later and I had another set of injections. I was able to move it further from side to side and further forward and back. And then I had the third session with him the following week, and that's all the sessions it took. And I was able to move my neck everywhere, and I have still, it just took 3 sessions, and I have still today, a year later, and about a month, a year later, and I am still moving my neck everywhere, and I'm just so blessed and so pleased that Dr. Youssef has helped me. I'm still pain-free, and Dr. Youssef has just been wonderful, and I come to him for all my pain, and I just want to thank him so much.
Don't let pain keep you out of the game. Visit us at Arthritis Rehab and Pain Clinic or call us at 972-492-8180 for an appointment or for more information. You may also visit us at www.facebook.com/AR&P Clinic.